Okay, now we are going to same as, okay, now we are going to, so working with multiple measures, okay, working with multiple measures. So working with multiple measures, we are going to working on multiple measure on the screens, okay, on the Tableau desktop. So here ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే point, so suppose I am going to take the one measure, because this is the measure value, okay. So measure value in the visualization, then it will form as a single axis, right? Single axis. So axis means axis అంటే ఏంటి, y axis, y and x, right? y and x axis, right? మధ్యలో ఇలా జీరో ఉంటుంది, మనకి యాక్సెస్ అన్నీ ఇలా ఉంటాయి కదా. ఓకే, మనం 10th క్లాస్ లో చూసాం కదా, యాక్సెస్ ఇలా ఉంటాయి. సో విత్ ఇన్ సింగిల్ యాక్సెస్ లో వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ద విజువలైజేషన్ by using the measures. Suppose I am going to use one measure, okay, suppose I am going to use one measure. So one measure will be going to do the visualization within single axis. So suppose I am taking the two measure, okay, in the visualization it will go into the form as a two charts. Suppose you are going to multiple 3 and above, okay, 3 and above, what happened here, the visualization it will go into the one axis, second axis, third axis, okay, likewise. Got my point here? Again I'm going to, if you use a single measure value, okay, if you use the single measure value to form as a single axis, okay, and in the measure two measure, if you take the two measures, it will form as a two measures, right? 1 2 3 something here. So if you use the three measures, it will going to act as a three measures, okay, 1 2 3, okay, like that, okay, like that. So this is the one visualization, this is the second, is the third one. Likewise you can apply the working with the multiple measures here, okay. These are three types available, okay. This is the three types, okay. One is individual axis, okay, and second one is dual axis, okay, and third one is blended axis, right? So ఇక్కడ మనం ఇండివిడ్యువల్ యాక్సెస్ అంటే ఏంటి, డ్యూయల్ యాక్సెస్ అంటే ఏంటి, బ్లెండెడ్ యాక్సెస్ అంటే, సింపుల్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు అప్లై హియర్. Simply I'm going to apply individual access means within single access, within single access, we can able to create the visualization, right? We can able to create the visualization. Okay, now within single axis, individual access means, okay, access method we can apply the measure value, okay. Individually we can apply the access. Individually you can apply the measure value on the visualization, okay. Now dual access, so dual means rendu, okay, number two. So here you can apply the single sheet, okay. If you take the single sheet, in that we can apply two measures, right? Measure here also multiple here. Blended means combine the values, combine the multiple measures, okay, combine the multiple measures, okay, combine the multiple measures, or mix in the multiple measures, okay. So individual access means within single sheet. Suppose I am taking this is the single sheet, right? You can apply the individual access, okay. Now suppose dual access, okay, we can apply the within single sheet, you can apply the two charts, okay, one chart, two charts, 1 2, again 3, you can apply the multiple sheets here, okay, within single sheet here. సింగిల్ షీట్ లో మనకి చార్ట్స్ అనేవి వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ సపోజ్ ఒక షీట్ లో మనకి ఎన్ని వస్తాయి, ఇండివిజువల్ యాక్సెస్ వస్తుంది, అగైన్ సెకండ్ షీట్ లో డ్యూయల్ యాక్సెస్ తీసుకుని రెండు చార్ట్స్ వస్తాయి, అగైన్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు థర్డ్ blended. Multiple access తీసుకుంటే multiple measures తీసుకుంటే multiple. These are the call about the blended access and individual access and dual access. Okay. Now we are going to Tableau. Okay, Tableau. So in the Tableau, you can able to see how you work on the individual access and the dual access and the blended access. These are very simple concept. Okay, but real time you can use this methods only. Okay, this is the most important. So real time you can apply this type of methods only. Okay, మన రియల్ టైం ఎక్కువ దీని మీద వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. డ్యూయల్ యాక్సెస్ మీద, సింగిల్ యాక్సెస్ మీద, బ్లెండెడ్ యాక్సెస్ మీద వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఓకే, సపోజ్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు హియర్, ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ద category wise or subcategory wise. Okay, okay, now I'm taking category wise. So here I'm taking the category wise sales. Okay, sales. So this is the individual access, right? This is the individual access. Now same as you can apply anything here. Okay, descending order, ascending order, whatever it is you can apply. Okay, descending order, ascending order, swap, we can apply like this. Okay, so if you want display text, we can able to see the text here. Okay, this is the individual access. Very simple concept. Okay, individual access. Okay, now I'm going to second one. So second one is dual access. Dual access. So dual access means dual. Within single sheet you can apply the multiple two measures here. So ikkada you can apply the one dimension value along with the one measure value. Coming to dual access, you can apply the multiple dimension value or else multiple measure, two measure values. Okay, I am taking the only two measure value. So present our topic is working with multiple measures. Okay, today our topic in one topic is so working with multiple measures. Previous class లో ఏం చూసాము, వర్కింగ్ విత్ మల్టిపుల్ డైమెన్షన్స్. సో డైమెన్షన్ ఎక్కువ తీసుకుని వన్ మెజర్ అప్లై చేసాం. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే మెజర్స్ ఎక్కువ తీసుకుని వన్ డైమెన్షన్ అప్లై చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఓకే, నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు అప్లై కేటగిరీ. Okay, this is the category, right? So we are taking the two measures here. So suppose I am taking sales here. Okay, now I'm going to apply sales. Again I am taking the another one. Okay, or else we can take in the profit here. So this is the present, this is the one axis, this is the one axis. Now we have to combine these two. That is called as a dual. Okay, right click on the profit. Okay, right click on the profit in the column cell. Now I'm going to keep the dual axis. What happened? In the single axis, you can combine the two measures. Right? Now, ఎప్పుడైతే ఇలా యూజ్ చేసామో the values are coming to the Mars card. Okay, the values are coming to the Mars card. So this is the sales. Now I'm going to apply here bar chart. Okay, now this is the profit. Now I'm going to apply the anything, you can take anything here. So this is called as the dual axis. Very simple concept. Okay, so here 600 and 2500K. These are the values. Okay, these are the values and a different one. So that's the point, we have to synchronize these values. Okay, right click on this. Okay, now I'm going to here synchronize the axis. రెండు వైపులు ఈక్వల్ గా రావడం కోసం you can go into the synchronize the axis. See, both end ఒకలా ఉంటాయి సమానంగా. 2500 2500 300K 300K. Okay, likewise you can do this individual axis. Okay, now we are going to blended axis. Blended. So blended means mixing. So mixing the values, combine the multiple measures here. Okay, now I'm going to here. So I'm taking the category. Okay, in the category I'm going to the first one, I'm taking the sales here or profit, whatever, or discount, whatever it is, profit here. So it will form as a single axis, rest individual axis. Now I'm going to apply the sales into the axis here. Okay, so axis అంటే ఈ సివర్ ఉంటాయి, ఇది బ్లాక్ కలర్ లో ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ సివర్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది లైన్ లో ఈ యాక్సెస్ అన్నమాట. సో y axis 0, y axis అంటాం కదా ఇవన్నమాట. Okay, now I'm taking the this is the what. Okay, now I'm taking profit to the axis here. Okay, it will combine the values, right? Suppose I'm hover the mouse on the chart here. See, category, profit, sales. Okay, see, profit and sales here. This is the blended axis. So without combination of the dual. So ఇక్కడ మనం dual ఏమో అప్లై చేయకుండా automatically the values are combined. That is called as the blended. Suppose I'm going to take the discount here. See, discount here. So now I'm going to click here. So discount, profit, sales. Got my point here? Okay, this is called as the blended axis. Okay, blended means mixing the measure values, combine the measure values. Okay, this is called as the. So in this three important, ఈ మూడు మనకు చాలా important. Now we are going to individual access. Once again I tell you individual access. Now I'm going to your container. These are the container. Now I'm taking the profit here, sales, whatever discount I'm taking care. So this is called as the individual access, right? So ascending order, ascending order, and keep the values here. Okay, now I want to content drag and drop into color, so it will display the different. Now I want to hide this one, so this is the individual access. So if you want to keep the descending order, keep the descending order, ascending order, keep the ascending. So keep the swapping, you can use the swapping here. So this is the individual access. Okay, individual access. Now I'm going to dual access. Okay, dual part one. Now here I'm going to apply. Again I'm taking you can take any one. Okay, so now I'm going to take in the continent here. So these are the continent. Okay, now I'm going to apply. Now I'm going to apply department here. Okay, so remove this one, after you can apply that one. Okay, now I'm going to here sales into the column. Okay, now I'm going to apply profit into the R. So now keep here descending order. Now I'm taking the another one here. Okay, so another one here, copy paste into the same. Okay, drag and drop into the same column self here. So now it will form up the same values, right? Now I'm going to apply dual access. So what happened here, rendu kuda command అయిపోతుంది. Now I'm going to in the Mars card, select sales. I want to display the bar chart here. Now I'm going to apply the color. We can apply the color. So increase the size. Okay, and now I'm going to sales, decrease the size. Okay, now I'm going to sales to decrease the small size. Okay, this is the dual access. Now both end manaki equal ga undi, no worries. Okay, now I'm going to blended access. Okay, blended. So blended access means mixing the values, right? Combine the multiple measures. Here I'm going to take the category. Okay, now I'm going to the sales column self, keep the descending order. Okay, now I'm going to apply profit into the access here. Okay, again I'm going to apply the unit price into the access here. Okay, now again I'm taking the discount in the another access. See, these are the values. Check it, category, discount, profit, sales, unit price. These are the called as the blended access. Okay, now we are going to change the here. Change we can change it. Otherwise, no need to change here. Okay, right click here. Now I'm going to keep it. Okay, synchronize. It will form up the blended mix. Okay, this is called as the working with multiple measures. Okay, coming to dual access here. Okay, now I'm going to take the continent into the color. So it will form as like, suppose I'm going to blend individual access. Okay, this one is completed. Okay, now I'm going to take the department into the color here. So in the dual access, see the values are like this. Okay, coming to blended means, okay, blended, we are going to blended, right? So here I'm going to all keep the increase the zero size, little size. Okay, now we have to check it, all the values will be displayed in the visualization, right? Category, discount, profit, sales, unit price. So if you want to display the all values, right? So suppose I'm going to display all values. Okay, suppose sales label. Okay, now profit label. Okay, now unit price label. Now discount label. Okay, now I'm going to apply here enter view, right? Click here, you can able to see all the different values in the visualizations. Okay, so this is like this అనమాట. ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేసుకుంటే ఒకే వాల్యూలో డిఫరెంట్ వాల్యూస్, మెజర్ వాల్యూస్ కనపడుతుందన్నమాట. This is about the working with multiple measures. Okay, now here you can go into the combined chart here. Combined chart. So combined chart means, okay, so combined chart means Very simple. All charts in one single individual access. So in single sheet you can apply the all. Okay, that is called as a combined chart here. Okay, combined chart and other one. Suppose I'm going to here, I'm taking category here. Okay, here I'm going to apply the sales here. So okay, now this is called as the individual access. Okay, now I'm going to apply text here. This is the individual access. Now I'm going to the profit into the column shelf. Now I'm going to, this is the one axis, this is the one axis. Now I'm going to keep the dual axis here. Okay, this is called as the dual axis. Now I want to do combine the blended axis. Okay, now I'm going to discount drag and drop into the here only. Check it once. Okay, the axis. Okay, now I will not will apply. Okay, drag and drop here, or else sales into the here also. Okay, see, now I'm going to apply. Okay, so check the other it is, this one is profit. So now add this card here. So you can check it one by one here. Remove this one. Okay, now I'm going to here. Now I'm going to here, keep the dual axis. So category sales, category sales. Okay, so it will not work in this time. Okay, this is about the working with multiple measures. Here I'm going to apply the one task here. Okay, this is a task like now I'm taking category wise. So category wise sales here. Okay, category wise sales. Okay, category wise sales. Okay, keep the descending order. So I want to display the minimum sales here. Okay, I want to display the minimum sales. This is the category wise sales here. So it is sales. So I wanted to display the minimum sales. Again, drag and drop into the sales into the same columns up here. Now right click here. Now I'm going to keep the minimum sales here. Okay, minimum. So this is the minimum sales here. This is the minimum sales, right? So this is the original sales. This is the minimum sales. Again, I'm going to take in the sales into the same column here. So you can apply the measures. Okay, and then going to the measure, you can apply the maximum sales here. Okay, this is the original sales. This is the minimum sales. This is the maximum sales. Okay, if you going to keep the descending order, you can go to descending order, or else you can go into the ascending order or swap here. Like this, you can apply multiple ways. No worries this one. Okay, so okay, like this. Okay, now I'm going to keep the control chart here. Okay, now I'm going to again, I'm taking the sales into the same column shelf. Right click here. Now I'm going to here, measure value. I'm taking the median value. Okay, median values. So it will take the median value. So see, sales, minimum sales, maximum sales, median sales. Okay, these are the value. Okay, now I'm going to right click on the last. Okay, last one. So now I'm going to here. So this is the individual axis. One axis. Now I'm going to keep the dual axis here. Okay, dual axis. What happened here? So dual axis combine the multiple. See, on category max, median, minimum sales, right? Here also see category max, medium, minimum sales. Here also check it. So maximum sales. Okay, this is called as the combined chart. Mananka. So okay, now I'm going to keep the bar chart. Okay, second one, minimum sales. Now I'm going to apply a line chart. Okay, now I'm going to max cells. We can apply a square chart. Okay, again median cells here. Again, now I'm going to apply text here. See, this is the different individual axis and the dual axis. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనం సో కంబైన్ చార్ట్ అని చెక్ చేస్తాం. ఇండివిజువల్ యాక్సెస్ లో చూస్తాం, డ్యూయల్ యాక్సెస్ చూస్తున్నాం. సో డ్యూయల్ యాక్సెస్ లో మల్టిపుల్ మెజర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇండివిజువల్ యాక్సెస్ లో సింగిల్ యాక్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ ద blended axis. Okay, now working with multiple measures is completed. Okay, so again we are going to our syllabus. One second. Okay, so this part is completed today. So yesterday working with dimension complete, today measures completed. Now we are going to geographic analysis. This very simple concept we will continue now. Okay, geographic analysis. Okay, geographic analysis. So geographic analysis means, so now Okay, geographic analysis. Geographic analysis, it will depend upon the latitude and latitude. So based on latitude and longitude. Okay, రేఖాంశం అక్షాంశం అంటాం కదా అవి. Okay, now so this is the important thing. So latitude longitude and important. Okay, now I'm going to close this one. Now I'm going to open another one. Okay, now I'm going to another. Okay, now text file I'm taking here. We can select any one of this, no worries. Okay, added it. Now I'm going to sheet here. Okay, now geographic analysis. Suppose I'm going to here, I'm going to category wise. Okay, geographic means we can apply the globe. Okay, globe. Okay, globe means latitude, longitude. Suppose I'm taking here state. Okay, I'm taking the state provision into the row sum. Okay, now I'm going to apply the sales into the column cell or whatever it is. Now, so I want to do apply this in the go to show me. You can apply that. These are the different charts. I mean maps. Okay, so this is the circle view, and this is the filled map, symbol map, filled map. Okay, so if you apply this one, automatically the values are the state values are changing the colors here. Okay, now if you click this one, you can able to see this is the one state. Okay, so now I'm going to states drag and drop into the colors, so it will form as the colors. Okay, now I'm going to apply state here. Okay, now I'm going to state drag and drop into the colors. What happened? These are the colors. Again, state drag and drop in label here. It will display the all labels. Okay, this is called as geographic analysis. Okay, very simple concept. Okay, now this is the unknown is there now. So here 10 unknown. What is the meaning unknown? So unknown means it will not able to see the latitude and longitude. So the వీటికి latitude, longitude and values అని లేవు అన్నమాట. Okay, so click that one, edit location. Now we are going to Alberta. This is the one state here. In the state, it will be not able to working in the latitude and latitude. Latitude, longitude and leave దీనికి. That's the point. It will display the unknown here. Now I'm going to, you can enter the manually. Okay, click here. It will show the enter latitude and longitude. So now I'm going here. Okay, close this one. So I want to display the Alberta, right? Now I'm going to Alberta, right? In the Google, you can checking the latitude and longitude for the Alberta. ALBERT, right? Latitude, longitude. Okay, this is the values, right? This values copy paste and into the. Okay, now click this here. Now I'm going to latitude here, paste here. So paste here. Okay, sorry. Copy and paste here. Okay, now again longitude. Okay, copy and paste here. Okay, now apply here. See, the values are, you are assigned the values are into Alberta, right? Okay, see, the unknown is one octave point, right? Now here 9 ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. Now I'm going to another one for understanding. So we are going to ఇది చెక్ చేద్దాం. Ontario ఉంది కదా, ఇది చెక్ చేద్దాం. Okay, now I'm going to here Ontario, right? Sorry. Okay, here I'm going to Ontario. ONTARIO. So Ontario, latitude, longitude. Okay, now this is the value. Copy into the, paste into the your unrecognized latitude value. Okay, apply here. Now I'm going to here, take this value into the Tableau desktop, copy paste here. Okay, the value will be assigned to the Ontario. Okay, see, the unknown is one reduce అయిపోయింది. ఇదివరకు 10 ఉన్నాయి, ఇప్పుడు 9 ఉన్నాయి. So based on this, you can able to create the visualization for the. Okay, మనం visualization చేయాలన్నమాట. So this is the concept of the okay, this is the concept ఎలా ఉంటుంది, right? Okay, now we are going to second one here. Okay, state country wise. So country wise. Okay, now state wise. state wise. Okay, now I'm going to city wise sales here. Okay, sales. Okay, drag and drop here. Now I'm going to apply here. Now I'm going to here simple map here. Okay, it will display the different values, right? Okay, right. So see, city wise, country wise, state wise sales. Okay, now I'm going to state drag and drop into the, or country drag and drop into the color here. Okay, color here. Okay, now it will display different color. So here I'm going to another one here. So I want to display the only country wise sales. Here it will display the two values here. Okay, now country wise sales here. Okay, sales. Okay, now our profit, whatever it is, profit into the color or thing. So the values are like this. Okay, text value, the values are like this. Now I'm going to keep the map here. So it will display the United States and so like this. These are the different countries, two countries. Okay, this is Canada, this is US. Okay, so then state, then country drag and drop into the country drag and drop label here. So it will display the label Canada. The country drag and drop into the color. So it will display the different color here. Based on this, you can apply here. Okay, the country color, keep into the color. This is one color, this is one color. The sales drag and drop here, sales drag and drop into the label here. It will display the label here. Okay, so this is about the now I want to display the only one country here. Okay, right click on the filter cell, edit. I want to display the only US. Apply. Okay, so this is the US. Okay, now I'm going to take the state-wise sales. Okay, state-wise sales. Okay, sales drag and drop here. Now I'm going to apply color here. It will display some color here. Okay, now I'm going to, okay, here also you can be able to say this is the chart here. Okay, now I'm going to take into the color. So again I'm going to apply the chart here. So different states ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి చూసారా, ఇక్కడ స్టేట్ ఉంది, ఇలా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. Okay, this is a sales here. I'm taking to the label here. Okay, so this is the label here. Now I'm going to apply the city wise city. So city wise sales here. Okay, now I'm going to keep the map here. Okay, this is the city wise. Now I'm going to sales in the label. Now I'm going to city, going to the color. Okay, now we are going to the going to the map. In the menu bar, going to the map here, normal, keep the normal mode. So what happened here, in the backend will be change in the backend, right? Again I'm going to map. So dark, see what happened, the dark color coming. Now I'm going to here street. If you want to keep the street, it will display the street values. Okay, now I'm going to here, outdoors here. See what happened here, the outdoor will say, okay, no worries. Okay, now I'm going to here satellite. See, it will display the satellite, type of satellite. Now I'm going to here, okay, now I'm going to here map. In the map, offline or online, so based on the offline, so same as. Now I'm going to here country base. Okay, now I'm going to back here, keep the normal. Okay, now I'm going to here keep the street. Okay, now I'm going to here, we can apply the satellite. So this is the structure of the geographic analysis. So మనం ఏదైనా అవసరం ఉంటే ఇలా చేయొచ్చు. Okay, now, okay, this is the one type here. Okay, now close this one. Now, yeah, this is the night చేసాం కదా మనం, ఇది చెక్ చేద్దాం. Okay, now I'm going to keep the drag and drop into the here also. Okay, geo taking the sheet level. Okay, now I'm taking country here, it will display the India. Now I'm going to apply the map here, it will display the map. Now I'm going to state here, it will display the state here, right? Now I'm going to apply country on state here. Okay, now I'm going to here, now I'm going to apply here also. So country wise India. Okay, like this we can apply this. Suppose I'm going to take the country color here, it will display the state color here or thing. Okay, now worries. Okay, now I'm going to apply this. So here I wanted to display the only state here. Okay. So based on sales drag and drop into label here, it will display the label here. Okay, this is the like this. Then suppose I'm going to apply here. Suppose I'm apply here. I'm going to apply state city. Okay. In the city, I'm going to apply Bhimavaram, right? Bhimavaram. So save as. Okay. Now I'm going here geographical refresh here. Okay. I'm going to apply refresh here. Okay. Now I'm going to here check it whether it is form or not. Okay. Now I'm taking the country state into the here. So it will form as the right. Okay, map. See, this is the unknown, right? One unknown. Now I'm going to click this one. So ఇక్కడ మనకి ఒకటి అన్నౌన్ చూపించింది. క్లిక్ చేసాం అనుకోండి. సపోజ్ భీమవరానికి లాటిట్యూడ్ లాంగిట్యూడ్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు హియర్. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు అప్లై భీమవరం, రైట్? సో భీమవరం లాటిట్యూడ్ అండ్ లాంగిట్యూడ్. ఓకే, భీమవరం లాటిట్యూడ్ అండ్ లాంగిట్యూడ్. ఓకే, అప్లై చేసాం అనుకోండి. ద వాల్యూస్ ది వాల్యూస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి తీసుకోండి. ద వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ ద లాంగిట్యూడ్ ఇన్ డిగ్రీస్. Enter here. So this is the values. Copy, paste here. Now I'm going to paste here. Apply. Okay. Now okay. So the one unknown is miss happened, right? Now this is the value. Now I'm going to state into the here also. Okay, null value. Okay, null value. Something is null value. Suppose I'm going to geo. So we can check it whether we can check it. Country, state, city. You can keep that. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మనం కామా పెట్టలేదు. సి ఇటువంటి మిస్టేక్లు వస్తూ ఉంటాయి మనకి రియల్ టైంలో కూడా ఇలాగా వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. అందువల్ల ఏంటంటే నేను కూడా మిస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాను. ఓకే, సేవ్. నవ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు హియర్, క్లిక్ హియర్. సో నవ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు data set, refresh here. Now see what happened. The null value missing, right? Got the null value. Now I'm going to another one. Take the city, drag and drop here. Okay, now I'm going to keep the map here. Say it will display the some values, right? Where it is, you can check it. Or else now country wise, state wise, okay, city wise. Okay, city. Now I'm going to keep the here. This is the Bhimavaram, right? Bhimavaram, India, Andhra Pradesh, Bhimavaram. It will display the value, right? So likewise, you can able to create the whatever it is, wherever you staying that value. I need that value, latitude and longitude. Based on latitude, longitude, you can able to create the map here. Okay. Example కి మనం ఇక్కడ భీమవరం అని పెట్టాం కాబట్టి భీమవరం డిస్ప్లే. సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు అప్లై ఏలూరు హియర్. ఓకే, ఏలూరు. సో ఏలూరు అప్లై చేశాను. ఓకే, సేవ్ చేసుకోండి. నవ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు అప్లై ఏలూరు హియర్. ఓకే, సో నవ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు రిఫ్రెష్ హియర్. ఓకే, నవ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు దిస్ ఇస్ ద సి ఏలూరు, ఇండియా, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద geographic analysis. Okay, now based on this we can create the different charts in the మన సూపర్ స్టోర్ లో డేటా ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ద మల్టిపుల్ విజువలైజేషన్స్. ఓకే, ఎక్సెల్ సూపర్ స్టోర్, క్లిక్ హియర్. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఆర్డర్ హియర్. ఓకే, నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు హియర్. సో సిటీ వైజ్ సేల్స్. ఓకే, సేల్స్ తీసుకున్నాము. సో హియర్ I want to display the one city or a couple of cities. City, drag and drop in filter cell. So you can keep the undone. Now I want to display the only 3 or 4. Okay, apply. Okay, now 3 తీసుకున్నాను. Now I'm going to apply the map here. So it will display the only 3 values, 3 unknown. So here it will ask the latitude and longitude. So now I'm going to, so ఇక్కడికి మనం latitude longitude తీసుకోవాలన్నమాట, right? Now మీకు ఇది అర్థమైంది కదా. Now I'm going to city or state wise. Okay, state provisions. Here I'm going to state, drag and drop in filters. So I want to display the only first, second, third. Okay, or else you can apply the California only. I'm taking the 2 states here. Apply. Okay, now I'm going to the map here. Only it will display the 2 states here. This is the 1 state. This is the 1 state. The state drag and drop in color. It will display the different colors. So state drag and drop in filter cell. Now I'm going to uncheck here. I want to display the Alabama. Apply. Okay. This is the one state. Again, control, drag and drop in color. It will display the different. Okay, no worries. So this is about the geographic analysis. So anything doubt in this? Now we have to close the section. So tomorrow we'll go into the section is filter. This is the 100% entry point. Okay. So ఈ filter concept ni చాలా important. Without filtering అసలు మనకి డేటా సెట్లు ఫిల్టర్ లేకుండా ఏ వర్క్ అవ్వదు అనమాట. ఓకే, విల్ కంటిన్యూ టుమారో క్లాస్. దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ ఫిల్టర్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఓకే ఓకే, నౌ గైస్ if you have any doubt ask me. We have 1 minute left, other we can close the section.
No doubts, sir.
Okay,
No doubts, sir.
Yeah, we'll continue
Okay,
tomorrow.
clear.
Yeah, we'll continue tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, bye.
Okay, bye.